kami ni Mr. Ling. We're going to the club again. There. Natito is very busy. I'm tired. I'm sorry. I cannot watch your update live. I need to sleep. Para may lakas si Ate Do. Yeah. Say hello. Ang init ngayon dito sa Hong Kong. Very sunny. There. Very sunny. Yeah. Very sunny. There. Slows down. Ang init. Maaraw. Sobra. Tapos tong lamig tong sasakyan niya. Very